Today's announcement is going to involve Backpack. I have a few things to say about that regarding some of the questions I've gotten already about it. But today's video is actually coming from southern Indiana. I'm kind of out in the middle of nowhere, and actually that's how it's kind of referred to. But I'm at French Lick, Indiana, and at the French Lick resort area. And there's two main courses here. One is the Donald Ross course, which I'm at. Was established in 1917 with this resort. And the other course was built in 2009, is known as the Pete Dye course. And both public courses that you can play. And if you look behind me and see some of the pictures, you can see the classic design of Donald Ross here. Actually, French Lick Resort has a long history, dating way back to the late 1800s, and in this case, this course was built in 1917. And again, I think part of its heyday was through the 1920s. It went through some various changes, the hotels, things like that, and then was basically reborn in 2000. But again, with regard to Backpack, a couple key things are you only have to do 10 questions for 10 modules and the corresponding responses for those 10 modules. Even though the course has 13, I only require you do 10 of them. The second thing is, get a question on responses. Can I respond to my own question? Generally not. The idea is to get a lot of people doing their questions quickly so people can respond to them. So keep that in mind when you're looking at doing Backpack. And the third thing about Backpack is that I want you to be sure that you check your community leaderboard, because just because you submit a question doesn't mean it gets accepted. There's certain requirements that are looked for. So by checking your community to see what questions have been accepted, you'll know when you meet the threshold for both questions and responses for this assignment.